Priyank and Pavan. Priyank, Pavan, you just write down that numbers now, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write down 1 to 100, okay? 1 से 100 तक लिखो. Hardik, you were just revising your transfer certificate now. 3 days leave application and transfer certificate. You just complete that. Okay, now let's see one very important question, LCM, okay? Finding out LCM. So there's a formula, LCM is equals to product of the number. Product of the number. Full product of the number divided by HCF. This question, just 90% chance that this type of one question will come in the exam. What will be the question? You will have to find out the LCM. क्या निकालना पड़ेगा उसमें? LCM. Where product of the number, 2 numbers will be given. 2 numbers will be given. For example, suppose there are 2 numbers. One is 9. Just an example, okay? One is 9 and another number is 5. One number is 9 and another number is 5. 2 numbers will be given. Their SCF will be also given. उसका जो SCF है वो भी दिया हुआ रहेगा. Suppose LCF is equals to 10. Just an example again. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, method. 2 numbers are given, 9 and 5. SCF is given 10. What we have to find out? LCM. What we have to find out? LCM. Question is clear now? Question will be like this. 2 numbers will be given. 2 numbers दिया हुआ रहेगा. Their SCF will be also given. उसका जो SCF है वो भी दिया हुआ रहेगा. What do you have to find out? LCM. क्या निकालना पड़ेगा उसमें? LCM. So for that, the most important thing is you should know the formula. You should know the formula. So what's the formula to find out LCM? LCM is equals to product of the number. Product of the number divided by SCF. Product of the number means दोनों संख्याओं का गुना. Product means what? Multiply means गुना करना. So product of the number divided by HCF. So for this question, how to find out LCM? What will be the LCM? LCM is equals to product of the number. What are the number? One is 9 and one is 5. And product means multiply. So 9 into 5. Divided by HCF. Divided by SCF. SCF is given here. SCF is equals to 10. The next step, LCM is equals to 9 5s are 45 divided by 10. Then LCM is equals to 4.5. 4.5. This will be the answer. Method is clear. It was just an example. Method is clear. LCM is equals to product of the number divided by HCF. Formula is clear now. What's the formula? LCM is equals to divided by HCF. Now see one question. 2 numbers are given. 2 numbers are given. Okay, just one question. HCF. SCF of 2 number 306 and 657. 657 is equals to given 9. Is equals to given 9. SCF of 306 and 657 is equals to what? 9. Clear? What we have to find out? LCM. इसमें निकालना क्या है? LCM. And what are the 2 numbers? 2 numbers कौन कौन से हैं? 306 and 657. This one is 1.2 chapter 1.2 question number 4. And this is most important question. This is most important question. There is 99% chance that this question will come in the exam. Question is clear now? SCF of 2 number. SCF of two number. One number is 306, another number is 657. Is equals to how much? 9. What we have to find out? LCM. Is this clear? So whenever you will solve the question in math copy, so first of all you have to write down solution. सबसे पहले क्या लिखना है? Solution with blue color pen or black color pen? Black color pen. After writing down solution, you have to write down given that. Given that means दिया गया है कि. Given that means दिया गया है कि. Two numbers are given now. Numbers. So what are the numbers? Numbers is equals to 306 and 657. Two numbers are given. And what's the next thing? SCF is also given. SCF is equals to how much? 9. SCF is equals to 9. What we have to find out? LCM. Find out means question mark. Find out means question mark. This much is clear. Now what we have to find out? LCM. What we have to find out? LCM. So formula is clear now. Whenever we write down the formula, जब भी हम formula लिखते हैं, before that we have to write down we know that. उसके सामने हमें क्या लिखना है? We know that. हम जानते हैं कि. We know that means हम जानते हैं कि. So write down the formula. LCM is equals to product of the number divided by HCF. Is this clear? So whenever we will write down we know that. Whenever we will write down we know that. So the next step will be so that. Next step क्या होगा उसका? So that. So that means इसलिए. So that means इसलिए. Now substitute the value LCM. LCM is equals to product of the numbers. So what are the numbers? One number is 306. Product means what? Plus, minus, multiply. Multiply. Second number is 657 divided by SCF. Divided by SCF. So SCF is equals to 9. SCF is equals to 9. This much is clear? Okay, so first of all just note down this much. इतना note कर लो. See, one important topic for all classes, finding out LCM and HCF. Okay, how to find out LCM and how to find out SCF. This much is clear now? Okay, LCM and HCF is clear. How to find out LCM and how to find out HCF? Okay, so just see one question. In this question, first of all we will find out the LCM. What we will find out? LCM. First of all we will find out the LCM. Okay, HCF. First of all we will find out HCF and after that we will find out the LCM. So we have a number. Suppose the question is this. Find the HCF. Find the SCF of two numbers. Find the SCF of two numbers. We have two numbers. Find the SCF of two numbers. One is 96 and another one is 404. 404. One number is 96 and one number is 404. We have to find out the SCF of these two numbers. इन दो numbers का क्या निकालना है? HCF. And after this we have to find out the LCM. उसके बाद इसका क्या निकालना है? LCM. Two numbers are given. First number is 96. Second number is 404. One number is 96. Second number is 404. So first of all what we have to find out? SCF. सबसे पहले क्या निकालना है? SCF. And after that we will find out LCM by using this formula. So how to find out SCF? SCF कैसे निकालते हैं? First of all let's solve 96. 6. We know that if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, so that number can be divided by 2. What's the last digit? What's the last digit? 6. So this number can be divided by 2. So divide this number by 2. 9 divided by 2, that means we have to read 2 stable up to getting 9 or less than 9. 4 2 is 8. 4 2 is 8. How much is carry? कितना बचा है? 1. So write down this 1 here. Now what's this new number? 1 6 16. So 16 divided by 2, 8. Again, what's the last digit? What's the last digit here? 8. So that means this number also can be divided by 2. 4 divided by 2, how much? 2. And 8 divided by 2, 4. Again, what's the last digit? 4. The last digit is 4. So this number can be divided by 2. Yeah. 2 divided by 2, 1. 4 divided by 2, 2. Again, what's the last digit? What's the last digit? 2. What's the last digit? 2. So this 2. So this number can be divided by 2. How many times? 6 times. 12 divided by 2, 6. Now 6 can be also divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2, how many times? 3 times. Now 3 can be divided by 2. So 3 can be divided by only 3. So what we will get? क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पर? 1. So 96. When we solve 96, so 96 is equals to what? What we got by solving 96? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. How many 2? 1 2 1 2 5 2 and 1 3. 5 2 and 1 3. Now we will have to solve 404. 404. Again, what I told you, if the last digit of any number, either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, so that number can be divided by 2. That number can be divided by 2. What's the last digit here? 4. What's the last digit? 4. So this number can be divided by 2. 4 divided by 2, 2. 0 divided by 2, 0. 4 divided by 2, 2. Again, what's the last digit, Krishna? What's the last digit here? 2. So this number can be divided by 2. So again, just divide this number by 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 0 divided by 2, 0. 2 divided by 2, 1. Now what's the last digit? 1. So this this one can be divided by 2. Can it be divided by 3? Let's try this. 101 divided by 3. So 10 divided by 3. 10 divided by 3 what? 3 3 is 9. What we got here? 1 1. Now 11 can't be divided by 3. So it can't be divided by 3. Let's try another number. Can it be divided by 4?
Sir, 101 is prime number.
Yeah. Can it be divided by 4?
No, sir.
Can it be divided by 5?
No, sir.
Can it be divided by 6?
No, sir.
Can it be divided by 7?
No, sir.
One time let's try with 7. Let's try this. 7. So how many times? 7 1 7. What we got here? 3. And this one 31. Now in 7 table do we get 31?
No, sir.
That means 101 is a prime number. Now what's a prime number? Prime number means उसको दूसरे किसी नंबर से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. उसको दूसरे किसी भी नंबर से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. So 404 will be written as 2 into 101. 2 into 2 into 101. This much is clear. What is prime number? Prime number means what? What is called prime number? Prime number is a number which can't be divided by another number. एक ऐसा नंबर है जिसको दूसरे किसी नंबर से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते हैं. So this much is clear. Now we have to find out the HCF. What we have to find out? HCF. What we have to find out here? HCF. So let's make a pair first. HCF of which two number? 96 and 404. HCF of 96 and 404 will be what? 2 into 2 is equals to 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. So what will be the HCF? HCF is equals to what here? 4. Have we got the HCF? HCF आ गया. Now what we have to find out? LCM. What we have to find out? LCM. So which formula we will apply? LCM is equals to product of the number divided by HCF. So LCM is equals to, what's the formula? Product of the number. So what are the numbers? 96 into 404 divided by HCF. So what's HCF? 4. HCF is equals to 4. The next step, LCM is equals to, okay, now just try this. 96 can be divided by 4. 96 divided by 4. Let's try this. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. Now 9 minus 8, 1. And this 6. Now 16 can be divided by 4. How many times? 4 times. So what's the answer? 24. So 96 divided by 4, what we got? 24. So LCM is equals to 24 into 404. Now we will have to multiply these two number and we will get the answer. Okay, just multiply these two number and you will get your answer. Is this clear? HCF is equals to 4 and LCM is equals to, after multiplying you will get the answer. Method is clear how to solve this? Confirm now? Okay, just note down this. And this one is also very important question.